This is a quick tour of the Zignals suite of four premium applications in one. And to get started, we'll take a look at alerts. And in your alerts, you will see a summary of all the type of alerts you have. And the menu options are currently inactive. In order to activate them, you actually have to click on the alert, and you'll see you have an option then to edit your alert, should you wish. And you can change it for one of the price, volume, or fundamental variables. You can change the parameters and add a tag if you wish. You can also do an historical test, seeing how this alert performed in the past. And you can look at the max return, max loss, and endpoint return 1, 2, or 3 months after the alert triggered. You can add a note or a tag, and you can see an example of a tag here. In this case is a note. You also have the ability to switch views. You can define whether you receive your alerts by email or on the phone, on your mobile, and you can configure the time of availability of your alerts. With the suite, you can also go straight into a chart, and this loads a charting application. You can, if you wish, add indicators, price overlays, and you see here that you have the ability to configure them or remove them. You can also switch between different views. You can look at intraday data, or you can go back to 10-year data. And you can use the slider along the bottom to draw back as many years as you like, or you can select in a given year to be taken straight to it. You can also carry out annotations on your chart. And you can highlight given regions, and you also have the ability to change the colors with these menu options here. You can add a line. And when you're done with that, you can also save your chart. Moving along to portfolio, you'll see your portfolio has your summary statistics on the left. You have your current holdings available here. Below it is your transaction history. You can enter trades manually, or you can also do cash transactions, adding or withdrawing cash. You can look at the performance of your portfolio over time with these mini charts. If you actually click on any particular chart, you would take into an expanded image. In this case, you can see your holdings is broken down by stock, or by sector, or by currency if you're buying stocks in another foreign stock exchange. Your cash equity curve can simply be expanded out, and you can see your total value, cash, or also short returns over any given day over the lifespan of your portfolio. Similarly with drawdown. You can also look at your annual returns, and for any given year, if you actually click on the year, you'll be broken down into the monthly returns, and then for any month you can actually go in again and look at the returns per stock. With the screener, you have your summary filters in the main menu. On the left, you have additional fundamental variables you can add, below which is the results output, and you can also add information columns as well, should you wish. You can adjust the variables either directly or using the slider, and you see the results will automatically update. You can add in variables. and you can see how the results similarly update. When you get your results down to less than or fewer than 50 stocks, you can create what's called an active screen, and what an active screen will do is it will send to you every day an email detailing the stocks which meet the criteria of your scan, but also those stocks which no longer qualify. And for example, here's one that's been already saved, and you can see it appear here as your 26 stocks. And again, every day an email will be sent with those qualifying stocks. But you can also, a feature of the suite is you can create an alert on that list. It'll appear as a stock list. Here it is here. And for example, you might decide you want to also get an alert when one of those stocks, say, gains 5%. And you can also maybe add a tag just to show that particular alert, and you can see it listed here in your alerts window. And that's a quick summary of the suite.